extend our appreciation to the family of the late Chief Justice. While we say the late Chief Justice Benedicto Kawanoka, you should know that Chief Justice Benedicto Kawanoka will never die. He's only been physically removed from us, but he lives with us. It's our inspiration. It's the reason why we have all spoken up here. And it is part of honoring his memory that I have called out to everyone in this country that please let us talk to one another. It costs us nothing to speak to one another. The alternative is dreadful. Speaking after arms have caused so much damage. It's a very painful thing. Chief Guest, as you know, we went to speak with Coin when I'd just come back from Bradford, where I'd done my master's in conflict resolution. And indeed, it was my involvement as minister in northern Uganda that led me to go and do conflict resolution. And for my dissertation, I picked on this never-ending debate, the choice between justice and peace in bringing an end to conflicts, especially internal conflicts, armed conflict. And I had discussed the northern Uganda, the LRA conflict in northern Uganda, without knowing we were going to speak about this. And when I sat with Joseph Coyne for 6 hours, November 2006, at his invitation, I was speaking to him about the things I had studied, the things I had written about. And as you know, it was Joseph Coyne actually who recommended that I attend the Juba peace process. Strangely, although a few years earlier, when I was appointed to replace Betty Bigombe, he had given an edict that I should be summarily executed on sight. It didn't scare me because I believe in predestination. In the end, he told me that no, he countermanded that, yes, he did, but later on, which is true. I mean, intelligence informed us that he had given another order that I should not be killed. But the point I'm making is, we can speak in this country to one another. I don't think I can have an enemy whom I cannot speak to. It is not costly. It brings harmony, and that's what alternative dispute resolution, whom we have a team, including my 2 brothers who are here, are doing. Win-win situation. You come to court or you come before the mediators when you can't speak with one another. You can't even share water from the same well or borehole. And by the time you go back, you now stop at a beer joint and you drink together before reaching home.